These 8 houseplants look beautiful at first, but inside your home, they bring stress and sadness. Let's discover the 8 forbidden plants you should never keep in your apartment. Elephant ear plant. Elephant ear looks luxury, but after 1 or 2 months, its leaves start falling. The reason? Low light, low humidity, and spider mites. This plant belongs to humid gardens in the north, not inside your home, and not in apartments. Poinsettia. Poinsettia is bright and festive, but it hates moving. After just 4 or 5 days, its leaves fall off. It needs fresh airflow and high humidity. Without, you'll quickly lose the beauty. Weeping fig. Ficus benjamina. Weeping fig looks elegant, but it is super sensitive. Water, chlorine, temperature, moving. Everything makes it drop leaves. If you're experienced, you might keep it alive. But for most people, it's just too picky. Croton. Croton is colourful and so attractive, but it hates sudden changes in temperature or moving. It needs indirect light, good airflow, and high humidity. Otherwise, the leaves will drop. Fern. Ferns look magical indoors, but they come from wet forests. They need indirect light, fresh air, and 90% humidity. If they don't get it, their fronds dry fast. No jungle air, no happy fern. Norfolk Island pine. This little pine looks like a Christmas tree, but indoors it struggles with dry air and no airflow. Low humidity makes needles yellow. Poor airflow makes branches bend down. Bird of paradise. Bird of paradise is luxury, with giant exotic flowers. But truth is, it's not an indoor plant, and natural humidity. Inside a house, it will never be happy. Ficus family. Ficus plants can grow huge, even become trees outdoors, with light humidity and airflow. They thrive in the garden, but indoors, they're troublemakers. The most sensitive, fiddle leaf fig. Which one of these plants did you try indoors? Did it stay healthy or give you headaches? Write your story in the comments. I really want to know. If this video helped you, share it with a plant lover. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Every week, new plant care secrets are waiting for you. Your support keeps this garden alive. May your plants stay green. May your home stay fresh. And may your heart always bloom with joy.